Hi friends, welcome back to Raksha and Real World. In this video, we will see about a homemade thermometer that you'll be able to use to track how temperature vary with location, indoors or outdoors. What will turn out to be the hottest spot in your house? What about the coolest? Your very own homemade thermometer will be able to tell you. Now let's see the materials required. Modeling clay, plastic bottle, water with sanitizer and straw. Pour equal amount of water and rubbing alcohol into the bottle. Add in a few drops of food coloring or paint. Put the straw into the bottle and wrap the clay tightly around it. Now you can check the thermometer. Put your hands around it to see if it warms it up, or place it into a bowl of really hot water to get a fast reaction. Now I'm going to place the thermometer into the hot water. You can see when we put it into the hot water, it rose above the clay. Now take your hand away. You might see the water level decrease, or place it in the cold water. Now let's see what is going to happen. Will it decrease? Let's first see how a normal thermometer works. When you look at a rectangular outside bulb thermometer, you'll see a thin red or silver line that grows along when it's hotter. The line goes down in cold weather. The liquid is sometimes colored alcohol, but can also be metallic liquid called mercury. Both mercury and alcohol grow bigger when heated and smaller when cooled. Inside the glass tube of a thermometer, the liquid has no place to go but up when the temperature is hot and down when the temperature is cold. Numbers are placed alongside the glass tube that mark the temperature when the line is at the point. Now let's see how the homemade thermometer works. Like the normal thermometer, if the temperature of the liquid in the reservoir increases, it expands and rises into the narrow tube. When the liquid cools, it contracts, allowing the liquid in the tube to fall to a lower level. But why does it work? Scientists refer to the tendency of matter to change volume as a result of temperature changes as thermal expansion and contraction. Thermal expansion occurs when you heat the metal and it gains more internal energy. And as the atoms within the material move around faster, the material expands. Thermal contraction occurs when you cool the material down and the atoms don't have much energy. Example, bridges are a little bit longer on a hot day. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like and share.